Taking the necessary precautions, the French president arrived at a field hospital in the Alsatian city of Mulhouse. It was built to ease pressure on eastern France's health system that's struggling to cope with the country's highest number of coronavirus cases. A facility usually seen in conflict zones, but for Emmanuel Macron, not out of place in peacetime. He says the fight against the coronavirus is a war.
Lorsqu'on engage une guerre,
when you engage in war, you engage fully. You mobilize together. I see divisions and fractures in our country, doubts, people who want to divide the country when we should have only one obsession: to unite to fight the virus.
It took the French army 4 days to build a network of tents that can receive dozens of patients in intensive care.
C'est historique et exceptionnel.
It's historic because it's the first time we've built this sort of structure. It's been created specifically for COVID-19.
Mulhouse is close to the German border. Its plight has motivated its neighbours to help. Several hospitals in Germany, Switzerland and Luxembourg have offered to take in French coronavirus patients. At a time when so many countries in the EU have shut borders, it is a display of European solidarity. On Wednesday, German emergency services collected critically ill French patients and flew them to a hospital in Freiburg.
We're proud to be able to help our French colleagues, our neighbours, our friends, and irrespective of our location, this is about our duty as humans and our desire to help as Europeans.
At nightfall, bells across France rang out to thank the nation's health workers. For Macron, it's imperative that people unite behind him and support his actions in this moment of crisis. He's convinced them to stay at home for 2 weeks, but he's now expected to ask them to stay indoors for even longer. Natacha, Butler, Al Jazeera, Western France.